Are you one of those 90% of people who have a great idea but never do anything about it? Are you stuck thinking, I have something really cool, but how do I get it made? Let me change that for you. You're fixing something and think there's got to be a better way. So you Google how to get my idea made and get completely overwhelmed. You're not alone. I've been in your shoes, so I know how you feel. The good news is you don't need a business degree or a pile of money. You just need 3 simple steps. The even better news is it only takes about 3 minutes to learn them. Let's go. Step 1. Write it down, draw pictures. What problem does it solve? Then talk to people who have this problem. Ask, would something like this help you? Really listen? Most say, that's nice, but I don't need it. Your idea needs work. But if they say, yeah, I could use that, you're ready for step 2. Step 2. Quick research. Google it, check Amazon, visit stores. Finding something similar is good news. There's a market. Then make something people can touch. Cardboard, duct tape, whatever works. This isn't a full-on prototype, just enough to show people. Step 3. Simple protection. Skip the expensive patent for now. Keep good records, use NDAs, or get a provisional patent for under $800. If people get excited, you have 3 choices. License it, get paid without starting a business. Make it yourself. Start small, or get expert help. Work with guides who've done this before. Be careful who you trust. Avoid cold calls, promising guaranteed success. You've worked too hard to get here. Protect yourself. Pool noodles, Spanx, simple tools. What they had in common? Someone took the first simple steps. 90% of ideas never make it past thinking about it. Don't let your great idea be one of them. Your first step. Write down your idea today, and start talking to people. It's that simple. At OLI IDEA, we help regular folks just like you turn ideas into reality. Get your free starter guide and get going.